Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are gonna see how you can plot pie charts in Matplotlib. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, what we need to do is very obvious, that is we need to import our Matplotlib library. So from Matplotlib import pyplot as plt. So let's take figure equal to plt dot figure. We have done this. Now we need to add some access. So access equal to fig dot add underscore access. In this we need to give 0, 0, 1 and 1. Okay, now what we need to do is access dot access. We need to give here equal. I will tell you why this is. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to give some values here. So let's take countries. Let's take countries. Yeah, so let's take countries, and let's only take 2-3 countries. So let's take US, let's take India, let's take Canada, and let's take Australia. Okay, so we have this country. Now we have to give some values to this data. So I'm going to do that. So let's take data, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just arbitrarily give some numbers here. It doesn't mean anything. So let's take 50. Okay, 54 US, and let's take 45 for India. Let's take 60 for Canada, and let's take 30 for Australia. Okay, now all we need to do is ax dot, and we need to use pie function, and in this we need to give our data, and then we need to give our labels as countries. Okay, and now just let us see how it is going to look. So plt dot show. Okay, so as you can see here, this is US, this is Canada, this is India, and this is Australia, but it is not showing any number, so we cannot understand anything. So for that, what I'm going to do is auto pct, and here we need to give some values. So let's give 1.2 f, and what it is going to do, basically it is going to give the percentage here, and that percentage will be formatted like this, that we have our number here, and then after the decimal place we will have 2-digit precision. So if we will run it, we will see the numbers, or we will see the percentage. Okay, so it is showing us an error. Auto pc, yeah, we need to give this here. So now as you can see here, it has converted these numbers as percentage, that is total up to 100%, and as the Canada was 60, so it has given it the biggest percentage, that is 32.43. Then it was US, so US has 27, then India 24%, and then Australia at 16%. So this is how you can represent your data in a pie chart in Matplotlib, and it is very easy. Now one more thing that I need to tell you is, why did we use this? If we do not use this, then our pie chart will not look circular. So let's run this. Now if you can see here, it is spherical. So for this we need to give our axis as equal. So guys, this was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.